I'm going to sow a couple of seeds here. Red Malabar and Okra. Now I'm going to treat these slightly different to normal seeds because these are big, thick seeds. And it'll take ages if I just put them into the soil and let them grow. Now, on the back of the okra, it says soak in warm water for 24 hours before sowing. Yeah, whereas the Malabar does say soak overnight or scratch before planting. So I'm going to do actually both. I'm going to scratch both of them and then soak them overnight. So that the scratching should break any surface on there that allows the water to seep into it. And it should have enough time to seep in and start to activate the seed. And then I can plant them tomorrow. So to do that, I've got myself a bit of sandpaper. This is 80 grit, so it's quite coarse. Now I just need to get into these seeds. Scissors, there we go. So because it's quite coarse, I don't need to rub too much on them. So I'm going to start off with the okra. And it might be hard for you to see at this angle. I'll do it again close up. So I just hold it between my nails on my finger and thumb and just quickly pull it across. Then I turn it a bit and do the same. So I might do that a couple of times. I don't want to go too deep on the actual seed casing. You know, maybe 2 swipes would be enough. But what I'm trying to do is just to break the seed through the seed case and weaken it a bit. So that it's easier for the water to soak in. Okay, so once I've done that, I mean these are obviously big seeds, I just take it, and what I was doing okra, yeah, and I'll just drop them into the water, and they're floating. Oh, they're not. So I'll do this with all of them, and I'll show you a little bit of a close-up on them. Now I'm holding between my finger and my thumbs and nails. You might need to get tweezers for this, and I'm just trying to cut through enough that it's going to weaken the surface. They do happen to fly off because it's really hard to hold on to them. So you might be able to see where I'm wearing it away. This light might not be good enough for it here because I've got that plant light on. But yeah, so this is basically what I'm going to be doing with all these seeds. So this is the okra, and I'll also be doing that with the red Malabar. Just trying to do it enough to take off any waterproof coating or allow weakness in the waterproof coating so that they're soaked quicker. Right, then I'll see you later.